Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the first video of 2024. I can't believe it's 2024 already. I started this journey in 2022 and the time has just gone by so quickly. For this video, I'm going to take you back in time to December when I actually started to film for this. We had so much snowfall at the beginning of December and it really was beautiful. But there were just no sunny days, there wasn't much daylight, so I couldn't really get outside to photograph anything in the forest. There was no opportunity for me to actually have a day where it would be possible to photograph anything in the forest. Although I did spend some time on my balcony watching the birds outside. At the end of December, beginning of January, the weather was pretty much the same. It did not improve, switching between random snowstorms, and it just rained for around 2 weeks straight with absolutely no sunlight at all. We had really bad storms, so a lot of the trees in the forest fell down and it was an absolute disaster. To put the cherry on top of my winter blues, the foresters arrived and started to cut down what feels like literally the entire forest, and it has been absolutely devastating to watch. I mean, awful. The ground in the forest is all dug up, it's a mess. There are so many places now destroyed. Even trees they didn't cut down got partly destroyed because of machinery. It feels like walking through a battlefield, or maybe a graveyard is a better description. It's just so dead and empty, and it's been really depressing, to be honest with you, to walk through and see so much destruction in the forest. This is a place that I absolutely love. I spend so much time here, and it's been heartbreaking really to watch it get destroyed. Something that has been really stressing me out a lot is that these areas where they have cut down the trees are areas that wildlife have their homes. They cut down the trees by the badger set, by the fox's den, on the deer highway, and they cut down all of the trees that I photographed all the squirrels in last year, which is just so awful when I think about it. Thankfully, towards the middle to the end of January, we had a few days of sunshine, which just felt so good. I went running outside with my camera. I was just so excited to finally have some really beautiful days. One of the other days I took my camera out, I seen a buzzard flying overhead, but by the time I got my camera out, he was gone. I was sitting a little bit deeper in the forest between some rocks, and that's when I spotted something really exciting. It felt so good to see and photograph a deer again. I was so worried that after the forest being destroyed, they would leave this area, but this young male looked very healthy and happy making his way through the forest. I definitely needed this moment with this young male deer. I have been feeling very uninspired lately. This winter has made me feel very uncreative, which is weird for me because I usually love this time of year. But lighter days are thankfully coming. I just hope the forest will be ready for spring to come. I am so done with winter and this no daylight and no light at all, and I'm ready just for spring to come now. Anyway, that is what I have for you guys this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed some of the photography that I got over January, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.